So in this video, we'll see how to set up Bluetooth on your Honda Civic car. So let's get started. First, we'll connect a new phone with the car. Press this tell button. In some regions, it's titled the phone button. Here's the tricky part. Most people select yes here. But to add a new phone, even if you already have phone saved in the car, select the no option. Use this knob and then press this button to select it. We have a few options here. Let me zoom in so you can see. Use the same knob and move through the options to find this phone setup. Select it. Then go into the connection settings. Here's the option to add a new phone. Select it. We'll see all the saved devices. The empty slots are, well, empty. I'll choose one of the empty ones and press the knob button. At this moment, open your phone and turn on Bluetooth. Ensure that your device is discoverable. Press the knob button to find the phone. You'll see your phone on the screen. Press the knob button again to connect to the phone. You'll get a notification on your phone to insert the pin. Insert the displayed pin on your phone and tap OK. You'll see Honda HFT added in the Bluetooth settings. Now we can simply tap on this Honda HFT to connect the phone to the car. Let's go back. Now we'll see if we can hear the sound. I'll play a song. Works great. Now if you want to connect a saved phone to the car, follow this guide. Usually if you are the only person connecting to the car should automatically connect your phone every time you start it. But if you want to connect your phone manually or connect to a different phone, press the tell button. To connect to a saved device, select yes from the screen. Then choose the device you want to connect to. If Bluetooth is turned on and your phone is discoverable, the car will connect. Great. So this was connecting your phone with Honda Civic. Thanks for watching and take care.